Let's read the fruits. Yeah, fruits are fun.
I'm an apple, red and bright, crunchy, juicy, full of delight. I'm an orange, sunny and round, full of juice that can be found. I'm a banana, yellow and sweet, peel me open, I'm fun to eat.
We are grapes in purple crew, pop us quick, one turns to two.
I'm a mango, juicy and round, king of fruits, I wear the crown.
I'm a watermelon, big and sweet, on hot summer days, I'm the treat.
I'm a strawberry, red and cute, a tiny, tasty, dotted fruit.
I'm a papaya, soft and bright, healthy and yummy with every bite.
I'm a kiwi, brown outside, green and juicy when cut wide.
I'm a pomegranate with ruby seeds, bursting with healthy deeds.
I'm a guava, green and neat, crunchy, tasty, super sweet.
I'm a cherry, small and red, on top of cakes, I love to sit instead. I'm a plum, purple and round, sweet and soft when I'm found.
I'm a dragon fruit, pink and bright, speckled inside, what a sight. I'm a date, sticky and sweet, energy packed in every treat. I'm a lemon, sour and bright, make drinks a tasty delight. I'm a jackfruit, big and sweet, many tiny fruits to eat. I'm a blueberry, tiny and blue, sweet little pop when you chew. I'm avocado, creamy green, healthiest fruit you've ever seen. I'm a blackberry, dark and sweet, juicy burst in every treat. I'm a gooseberry, small and green, healthy sour taste so keen.
I'm a coconut, hard on the outside but full of sweet goodness inside. I'm the tropical vibe that keeps everything cool and refreshing.
I'm a durian, strong on the outside, unforgettable on the inside. I'm bold, creamy, and definitely not for the faint-hearted. I'm a star fruit is a yellow star-shaped fruit with a sweet and tangy taste.
I'm a pineapple, sweet inside, a little tough outside, and full of sunny vibes.
Hi, I'm custard apple, like creamy, soft, and delightfully sweet. A tropical treat that tastes like dessert straight from nature.
I'm a peach, soft and fuzzy on the outside. Bite into me and enjoy my juicy sweetness inside. I'm a fig, soft inside and full of tiny seeds. I'm sweet and healthy, giving your body what it needs. I'm an apricot, small and full of sunshine flavor. Kids love me because I'm soft, juicy, and super yummy.
I'm a pear, shaped like a bell and tasty to eat. My smooth, sweet flesh makes snack time a treat.
I'm a lychee, bumpy outside, but sweet and soft when you look inside. I'm a lime, tiny and green, the zingiest fruit you've ever seen. I'm King Coconut, standing high and grand, full of sweet water, come drink if you can. I'm a rose apple, rosy and bright, crunchy and juicy in every bite. I'm melon, like sweet and cool, made for sunny days. A juicy bite of freshness that brightens every mood.
Subscribe and like Happy Land Fun Kids channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.